Hey y'all, welcome to Dora's Garden once again, and if this is your first time, welcome. So you guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I retie my Microlocs. Now, in my previous video, my 2-month lock update, make sure you check it out if you haven't seen it already. I mentioned that I wanted to extend my retie to 10 weeks. However, I am now 8 weeks and my new growth is just off the chain, okay? I realized that my hair grows at a rapid rate and my new growth is just getting out of control. So if you're interested in this type of video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a future video. Alright, let's continue on with the video. So you guys, I divided my hair into 8 sections. 4 in the front and 4 in the back, okay? I'm looking like Felicia right now, alright? Also, I wanted to let you know that I washed my hair last night, so my hair and scalp is clean, alright? So this is the section that I started with, okay? I'm going to undo it for you guys. Alright, so this is the section that I've completed. Alright. All I use is this rose water. I spritz it on my scalp. And then I use this plastic needle that I got from Walmart, which came in a 4-pack. And it was only $1.49. So I have 2 down and I have 6 to go. So as you can see right here, I've experienced a lot of slippage. So what I am going to do is I'm going to twist the lock a little bit, then thread the end of the lock through the needle, and then start the 2-point rotation, which is from west to east and then north to south. And I'm going to do this a few times. I'm going to make sure that I end going downward, going from north to south. And also